Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. As you know that SBI CBO Circle Based Officer notification is out. अभी क्वेश्चन ये है, कंफ्यूजन है काफी स्टूडेंट्स को that what will be the eligibility criteria. काफी लोग हैं जिनके पास एक्सपीरियंस है but they are experience from the cooperative bank और NBFCs का है. So will it be acceptable or not? तो उसके बारे में मेरा पूरा डिटेल वीडियो रहेगा. Watch till end, you will get the complete information about the joining, selection process, everything. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बात करें आपके नोटिफिकेशन की, टोटल नंबर ऑफ जो आपके वैकेंसीज आए हैं या फिर आपका जो एग्जामिनेशन डेट है तो वो आपका जुलाई में कंडक्ट होने वाला है. ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन, देयर विल बी ओनली वन एग्जाम, देयर इज नो कांसेप्ट ऑफ प्री एंड मींस. आप ये मान के चलो डायरेक्टली मींस एग्जाम होता है, कोई प्री एग्जामिनेशन नहीं है इसमें, सीधा आपका सिंगल रिटन एग्जाम होगा एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी गोइंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू. इंटरव्यू के पहले भी एक प्रोसेस होता है, उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज अगर हम यहाँ पर चेक करें, एंड वन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड suggestion from my side that do not apply in the region where you don't know the regional language. Regional language is must important when you are applying for the CBO. So if you are applying from Bangalore circle, अगर आप Bangalore circle से apply कर रहे हैं, you should know Kannada, right? Bangalore circle, Karnataka, Kannada, you should know, you must know. Then only apply for it. Otherwise, after doing every hard work and you get selected everywhere and finally you will be out of the प्रोसेस. सो डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक कि वैकेंसीज चेक करके आप कहीं से भी रैंडमली अप्लाई कर रहे हो. लैंग्वेज इज मस्ट हियर. दे विल कंडक्ट द एलपीटी आल्सो, लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट. So eligibility criteria, one of the eligibility criteria is language. You should know the language in the circle where you are applying. This is point number one. Second one, graduation has to be completed. आपका कोई 60% वगैरह का criteria इन्होंने नहीं मांगा हुआ है that you should have minimum 60% or minimum 55%, nothing. Just your graduation has to be completed, that is fine. Age criteria जो है that is minimum 21 years to maximum 30. So 21 years से 30 years का आपका age होना चाहिए. So one is language criteria, second is graduation criteria without any minimum percentage, anything, it's fine. Just you need to be graduate. Third, age criteria 21 to 30. Now fourth and most important is experience. अच्छा, age में आपको relaxations है according to the category. One more thing, sometimes it happens that sir, I have applied from EWS, sir I have applied from old OBC but I don't have certificate of OBC. मेरे पास OBC का certificate नहीं है. What should I do? If I'll clear the cutoff of unreserved, will I be eligible for it? Answer is no. If you applied from OBC, you should have the certificate of OBC. ये भी एक important eligibility criteria है, याद में रखिएगा, ध्यान में रखिएगा. Now the most important one is post essential academic qualification which is required. So they ask you to have 2 year of experience. कम से कम आपका 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस जरूरी है. 2 year of experience is necessary after completion of your graduation. Graduation के बाद आपका 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस इन्होंने बोला है. In the scheduled commercial bank, don't miss this commercial word, scheduled commercial bank. Why? I'll tell you. Few cooperative banks write that we are scheduled bank. Yeah, there are few cooperative banks in India, they are scheduled bank but they are not scheduled commercial bank. So cooperative bank experience will not be counted by CBO. CBO उसको count नहीं करेगा अगर आपका experience cooperative bank में है, or you have experience of 2 year 3 year and your experience is there with any NBFC, non-bank financial company, that is also not eligible. So only the people, those who have experience of 2 year, minimum 2 year from a scheduled commercial bank, either it is a foreign bank working in India or a private bank or a public sector bank, you will be eligible if you have worked on the position of PO, officer, not assistant. So officer position होना चाहिए, scale 1 position होना चाहिए. So your experience should be for scale 1 position. Scale 1 position से scale 1 ही जा रहे हो आप, but organization will get changed. So if you are working with RRB, you will get SBI. If you are working with a private bank, you will get SBI. If you are working with any other nationalized bank and you feel that you want to upgrade your organization, now this is the time you want to go and work with SBI, then you can apply for it. So post graduation, minimum 2 year of experience required. If you have with 2 different bank, it's fine. If you have 2 different organizations, like we have worked with Yes Bank along with Axis Bank, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year and 2.5 years, whatever it is, that is fine, but it has to be there with the scheduled commercial bank or any regional rural bank. तो scheduled commercial bank होगा आपका या regional rural bank है तो उसका आपका काउंट किया जाएगा, that will be counted. Still, if you have any doubt, do write in the comment box. Local language is important, as I have told you. Those who will be able to present that they have gone through with the local language as a subject either in class 10th or class 12th, they are not required to participate in the LPT, language proficiency test में उनको participate नहीं करना पड़ेगा जिन्होंने उस particular language को as a subject पढ़ा है either in class 10th or in class 12th. For example, you are applying from Karnataka only. For example, Bangalore you have applied and you had Kannada as a language either in class 10th or class 12th. In that case, you are not required to go for LPT. One more question, sir, when they are going to conduct the LPT? So they clearly said that LPT will be conducted after completion of your screening and interview. Means interview will be done. And after that LPT will be conducted. Means after the final phase when you are waiting for the joining. And at that time they will conduct the LPT. If you get fail in LPT, it's over. So after going for written examination, screening, then interview, your complete efforts are going to be wasted if you are not good in that particular subject, in that particular language. Sorry. So be assured that wherever you are applying, you should be good in that language. You should know the language. Read, write, speak, all three qualities you should have. Only after that apply from that particular reason. Now coming to the selection process. So examination, there will be only one exam. एक exam आपका conduct होगा. General awareness economy 30 number of questions, 30 marks, 30-minute time will be there. Banking knowledge. So general awareness and banking knowledge. If you will check here, 40 plus 30, 70 marks. 70 marks out of 120 directly from general awareness and banking knowledge. Means very heavy weightage. I'll make a separate video based on the complete syllabus of CBO for general awareness. Don't worry about that. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will get that video also. Don't worry about that. So 70 marks का आपका general awareness होगा, computer aptitude. There is no maths reasoning. कोई maths reasoning नहीं है, so you need not to worry about that. Easy to clear. There is no negative marking also. कोई negative marking नहीं होता. So there is no negative marking into this particular examination. So you should attempt all the questions properly. Then after completion of your written examination, once you will clear it, they will go for screening. Screening will be your documents they will check and after that they will call you for the interview. मतलब वो valid करेंगे, check करेंगे कि आपका 2 year plus experience and you have applied from the category, everything is fine or not. After that they will call you for the interview. Interview will be, for the interview they will call 3 times of the candidate. Total number of vacancies into 3 times means on one seat there will be 3 competitors when you are going for the interview. Interview will be conducted for 50 marks. 50 number का आपका interview होगा. Candidate will have to score minimum qualifying marks to be considered for the final selection. Marks will be decided by bank leader. It can be 25 marks, it can be 27 marks, whatever the minimum qualifying marks that need to be scored. उससे नीचे आएगा तो आप fail हो गए finally. So final selection will be conducted based on the online test plus interview. तो online test और interview दोनों को qualify करने के बाद आपका final selection यहाँ पर होगा. As I have told you, GA is going to play very important role because it will have 70 marks out of 120. Weighted GA का आपका सबसे ज़्यादा है. For that purpose, I am going to give you the complete detailed video based on what to prepare, how to prepare general awareness for CBO. So I'll give you that video very soon. CBO mock test is already available on the Guidely platform. We have updated the mock test as per the new pattern of the examination and the pattern means the level of question for the examination. उसके according हमने update कर दिए हैं. So you will be able to check the details. Will provide you link in the description और Guidely platform पर जाकर directly check कर लीजिएगा CBO, SBI CBO mock test. You will be able to find it. Then on the price, just use the coupon code Aditya to avail additional discount of 12%. 12% का आपको additional discount मिल जाएगा on whatever the listed price is there. Then GA Hustle Batch 2.0. This is my batch, my paid batch. If you want to prepare with me for your upcoming CBO examination, circle-based examination, so complete banking awareness, proper banking awareness, types of account, types of check, payment settlement, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, USSD, types of check topic, then RBI, monetary policy of RBI, recent guidelines of Reserve Bank of India regarding the PSL, priority sector lending, Basel norms. All these topics you are able to cover with me within the batch. Banking awareness, along with that, monthly current affairs. So for this particular examination, you need the current affairs at least from January to June. वो पूरा current affairs आपका topic wise monthly current affairs I am able to provide you within the batch. So join the batch today itself. Start your preparation properly. Same code Aditya you can use here as well. Then bundle PDF course is also available for this. If you find that, sir, I will be able to manage some time within the branch to study, for that any source, bundle PDF course है. Bundle PDF course के through आप self study while when you are sitting in the branch and when you are traveling toward your branch, at that time you can study from here. So it is here also 12% additional discount is available by using the code Aditya. If you want to connect with me, if you have any confusion regarding syllabus or anything regarding CBO and you want to connect with me directly, this is my Telegram group. Connect with me today itself, ping me, drop the message, I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will understand everything what I wanted to tell you within the video. So I'll be meeting you back in the next video very soon, where I'll give you complete detail regarding the GS syllabus, and after that one video I'll give you regarding the latest salary slip to motivate you that what will be the salary slip of CBO. So all the best for your examination, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.